In this video, I'll guide you through how to get an animated profile picture on Steam. If you want to make your Steam profile stand out with a unique animated avatar, you're in the right place. Steam offers a variety of animated profile pictures through its point shop, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of finding one, purchasing it with Steam points, and setting it as your profile picture. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your account name and password. Make sure your login details are entered correctly, then click Sign In to access your account. After a few moments, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From the main screen, look toward the top of the Steam window where your profile name is displayed. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account's appearance and personalize how other users see your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the option that takes you to the Steam Points shop. This is where Steam offers a wide range of cosmetic items that can be unlocked using Steam points you've earned from purchasing games and other content on the platform. Open the Point Shop and browse through the available categories until you find the Animated Avatars section. Take your time exploring the available options. Each animated profile picture has its own style and theme, so you can choose one that best matches your personality or favorite games. When you find an avatar you like, open its page to preview the animation before making your decision. If you have enough Steam points available, select the option to purchase the animated avatar. Once the purchase is complete, the item will be added to your account immediately and become available for use. Now, return to your profile and open the Edit Profile section. Navigate to the avatar settings, where you'll be able to choose from the profile pictures you own. Locate the newly purchased animated avatar, select it, and save your changes to apply it to your profile. After saving, visit your profile once more to make sure everything looks the way you want. Your new animated profile picture should now be visible, giving your Steam profile a more dynamic and personalized appearance. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can unlock and apply an animated profile picture to make your Steam profile stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!